Welcome to Straw. Ever wondered how natural substances can dramatically alter our minds and bodies? This simulation explores the fascinating interactions of bioactives with our physiology. We'll dive into how hallucinogens, like psilocybin from mushrooms, interact with serotonin, 5-HT2A, receptors in the brain, triggering unique signaling pathways that affect perception. See the underlying mechanism that defines these receptor interactions. Also, uncover the danger of teratogens, substances causing birth defects by interfering with crucial developmental processes, like cyclopine's impact on facial development. Finally, visualize type 1 hypersensitivity, or allergies, and how allergens trigger an IgE-mediated immune response. See how pollen, foods, or fungal spores can set off the type 1 hypersensitivity mechanism in the human body. Looking forward to connect with you.